Hey everyone, so I'm gonna kind of show you what I got off Amazon. So I'll put the link down below, but this is so you can um, hardwire your radar detector into your car or truck or whatever. So you don't have to have a wire from here and going up to your radar detector. It just looks all messy and it just looks too I don't know. To me, it looks cheap-ish. I don't know, but anyways, to me, it just looks like it's just out of there, and I don't want to have it there anymore, and just make it look a little cleaner. And this is how you do it. So, let's pull it out. I want to see if it looks exactly like that, because if it does, I'm gonna get rid of these and just hook it to my fuse like I did with the other ones. So hold on just one moment. Okay, so here it is. It's like the thing. So this goes into your radar detector, and I'm sorry, the dog keeps barking. My neighbor's dog. I really just want to like get rid of that dog because it just barks. But anyways, obviously this is your power, this is your ground, and also it came with a 3M connector, which you can use it, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I want to do that. It's a lot easier for sure. But yeah, so all we're gonna do is wire it up through here, up into my headliner, up to the gauges, run down, and hook it in there. So yeah, it shouldn't be too hard because all I gotta do is get this and then run the wire up through here. Just take that little black piece off, and then it just looks super clean and it's easy out of the way. And then it'll be super. It's super simple. So I might even hook it up to my pyrometer gauge wire. So then when that turns on, and it'll work. So it might be easy just to use that 3M. But if not, we'll hook it up with the add a fuse. So let me get on that real quick. Okay, sorry if it's really loud. I had to turn this on because I haven't driven my truck in a couple of weeks and it's almost dead. But there is it all set up. Everything's good. Everything works. Super simple. I mean, you can easily do it if you know anything about just a power and a ground and just running it through here. You literally, all I had to do was just push the wire up, and that's it. Like hide it in there, and then I ran into here. It's my fuse box. Tapped into my add a fuse wire I had, and then just found a bolt and grounded it. That's literally it. There's no point in really making like a video on how to do it because I literally did it in 2 minutes, if that. I did it with that little wire clamp, so everything works. But yeah, now I can, when I turn the truck off, it turns on, turns off. And when I turn it back on, it turns off, or it turns on. Damn it. Anyways, yeah, that's it. It's super simple, it's easy, and it's super nice to have. Then you don't have to have the dumb little pigtail power wire in there all the time. So I definitely recommend it. It makes it look a lot cleaner too, way cleaner. So then you don't have a thing and then cops see it, and where if you live in a state where they give you a ticket for having them, it's pretty hidden. So good job for doing it. It's easy.